Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Chris and welcome to Path to Wellness. Today's video is plant-based 2MAD, what I eat in a day. So that's plant-based 2 meals a day. I'm going to be sharing what I eat today. So if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and you check the bell so you're notified of all my new videos. And I do appreciate that. So I love making these what I eat in a day videos. I've been doing intermittent fasting for 4 years. I eat mostly a plant-based diet. And right now it's just after 1:30. I made my first meal. I did a workout at 11 a.m., strength training workout at 11 a.m. And surprise, surprise, if you've seen any of my videos, you know that quite often for my first meal, I'll do a big smoothie. Now this thing's about 1.5 liters. I have to make these really big if I'm only eating twice a day to get in all the calories and all the nutrition that I need. So in this smoothie right here, I put in 5 frozen bananas. I have a cup of frozen berries. I have 2 tablespoons of raw almond butter. I have 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. I have 3 tablespoons of soaked chia seeds. I have a half of a cup, which is 1 serving of the Marcus Ross Crayons Green Pro C Mix, and I have a video of that, so check that out. That's really nutritious stuff. I have my date water, which is 3 dates that were soaked in water overnight. And I have about a cup or so of almond milk. So this smoothie right here is around 1,350 calories, somewhere between 1,300 and 1,400 calories. Now again, I'm about 6 feet tall, I'm really active, so if this is way too much, you could just cut the ingredient list by half. So you just use half of that and you'll get about 650 calories in one of these smoothies, which will still be really good. If you're a smaller person, you don't need all those calories maybe. So I'm gonna enjoy this smoothie. Now this is gonna take me probably about an hour to eat. So I'll have this between 1:30 and 2:30. And then that'll hold me over for a few hours. And then probably around 5:30 or so, I'll have my second meal. So it's going to be about a 5-hour eating window. A lot of times I do about a 5, maybe 6-hour eating window when I have 2 meals. Sometimes I just eat 1 meal. In that case, I do about a 2-hour eating window. But I think I really like doing the 2 meals in 5 hours. It just works out really well. So let me know also in the comment section if anyone's doing intermittent fasting, if you eat a lot of plant foods and how that's going. But I'm going to enjoy this smoothie and I'll be back in a few hours, which will be about a second, with my next meal. At 6 o'clock, I put together my next meal and I started it out with a large salad and I had a huge bed of mixed greens and I just put 2 ingredients on there, a sliced apple and about 1/3 cup of raw walnuts. So a simple salad, but that's sometimes how I like it. Next to the salad, I had a big bowl of green Thai curry vegetable. It was like a green Thai vegetable curry over brown rice. And I had 2 big bowls of that. And on the top, I had these 2 plant-based alkaline mini apple pies. So these are actually sort of like a healthy treat that I found online from this company. And I'll be doing a video on those treats soon, but they're essentially all plant-based. They have healthy ingredients and they're alkaline. So I definitely recommend someone looking for a good treat to check those out. And again, I'll be doing a video within the next week on those. So this meal, I think, was around 1,400 calories as well. It was about the same amount of calories as the smoothie that I had. So I had around 2,800 calories today, which was enough. And that was it. So if anyone's interested in fat loss or wellness coaching, make sure you reach out to me. I'm now doing that. And please give a thumbs up if you liked the video. And I hope everyone has a great day. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.